Advertising or cycling.
Oh. Unless C2 company wants them back. Then he won't give it to us.
I think they... Tapos, alam mo, they don't need bottles.
Recyclable.
Hindi man. Bakit? Basta. I say it pag so old.
If I was a girl, I'd want Tim's hair. I mean, a girl. If I was a girly girl, I'd want Tim's hair.
So thick.
Yeah. It's nice though.
Yeah.
What does conditioner do to your hair?
Soothes it.
Smooth it out. Keep it from...
Yeah.
Tangling? I should probably use conditioner. I don't
I just
condition.
read the Bible.
Shampoo.
Is your hair hard to comb?
Makes it softer.
Yeah, since it's growing long.
So I can know it's the sides. I'm gonna look like Bruce Lee in next month. Rin Tin Tin. Grabe no, just really voted out na one person.
Ano pre kung ako...
Well, we didn't vote them out. We nominated her.
Oh, we just... Oh, yeah.
And she got voted out.
Ako naman.
Parang lumungkit. May ano nga. O, tinong may ano siya.
Okay lang yun, kasi magkikita pa rin tayo sa labas.
Ha? Parang dad. Patrimonio.
Sinabi ko na kay Kuya yung promise
Si Angelo naman, di kanya nailong.
At ni Pami. At ni
Hindi,
Divine.
yung mom ko, ito. Mas malalim yung mom.
No, Divine's gonna pay for his trip to Cebu.
Hindi, kung sakaling mawala ko dito, alagaan nyo siya. Sure yan, pre. Ano, tuloy na ako. Okay. Alagaan nyo si Tin.
Tintin, we're gonna hang out when we're done with it.
Kampanya. Kampanya ka na dito.
Are you serious?
I'm joking!
Yeah.
Of course.
Oh,
Right, we're going to the Thai place.
yeah.
Tulog na ako.
Hindi, ayoko. Gusto ko nandito
Sabi
kami.
sa ni Kuya, yung sinabi mo yung gano'n. Sabi ni Kuya.
Yung?
Yung sinabi mo gano'n, yung pangako niya ni Pare Karan.
Wow, sabi niya masaya siya na natutunan namin may ano din kami.
Thank you, pre.
Hindi, kasi they were talking, nag-usap kami kung what if aalis ka na bukas? Ano yung mga magagawin mo paglabas mo sa ating bahay?
Hindi na pag-usapan yung dalawa niya, no?
What?
I wish I was.
If you were to be born again, would you wish to be a girl and a lesbian or a guy?
I don't know, because guys have a lot of privileges. For example, they can stand when they pee. They don't need it. They don't need a toilet. And I've had a lot of trouble in my life because I'm a girl and I've needed to pee a lot, but I couldn't pee. What else?